Hello guys, for today's video, we will mix dusty pink semi-gloss latex for interior concrete wall. Dusty pink is a soft dusty color. This light brownish pink is a combination of beige, red and brown. It looks very good with white and gray. If you're aiming for an elegant interior, combine dusty pink and gold. If you are new to our channel, please do click the subscribe button below to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 2 gallons dusty pink semi-gloss latex mix. Okay, let's start. We prepare for color combination. 70% of semi-gloss latex white, 20% ochre color raw sienna, 15% ochre color tulip red, and 5% ochre color black. Let's put ochre colors raw sienna, tulip red, and black. Stir the paint well. Let's add more ochre color to make it more darker. Let's add ochre colors little by little until we achieve the right shade of dusty pink. almost the same, guys. Let's add some more to make it 4 liters. Hope exact. Okay guys, we got the right shade now. Mixing accomplished. If you think that our paint mixing tutorial videos is helpful, please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.